So this is our IR reading code. Here we are setting the IR data as like null 0, then attaching the IR receiver to pin 22 and IR sender to pin 4 and start reading that IR signal. So when the IR signal is received, we'll store it into IR data. And if the IR data is like 284, then we stop reading that signal. Like it means like we receive the kind of signal that we were looking for. So we just stop reading that data. So this is like when the IR signal received, and initially we'll start the reading of this data. Now when I click this sprite, it will repeat that IR signal. So it will act as a repeater and like it will send that IR data back using that IR LED. So this is my IR receiver, which is connected to pin 22, and this IR LED is connected to pin 4. So we will try to read the IR data using this switch remote. So it has read the data and the light were also on and off. So now I'll try to send the data using that scratch itself. So now here I have this IR LED and this is my scratch. When I click on this sprite switch, the light will turn off or on, like it will toggle its state. So let's just see the demo. I'll click it and the lights will turn off. I'll click it again and the lights were on.